action.
Hey guys, well, I'm Lydia. Welcome to my video. I'm going to be making a healthy fruit parfait today. So, let's get started. So, what we're going to need is you're going to need yogurt, a banana, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and granola. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get all of our ingredients out. We have a cutting board, a knife, a strainer, a spoon, a cup. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut our fruit. So I basically, or you can pre-cut your fruit first. So I pre-cutted my strawberries. And you're going to do 1 cup of strawberries. And then we're gonna put it into the strainer because we're gonna wash the berries. So we're gonna do 1 cup of strawberries in our strainer. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of blueberries. And 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of raspberries. And then I'm going to cut up a banana. I'm going to do for one cup of banana. Now you can use a butter knife or a steak knife, but I would probably recommend using a steak knife. But you might have to have an adult be there with you helping you cut.
Do you need help?
Do 1 cup of banana. And actually do the rest of the banana because it's just a little piece left. Throw the peel in the trash can.
No duh.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the fruit.
Yeah,
Another banana in the cup.
you forgot the banana in the cup.
Whoops.
Oh, you got
You
just strained water on the counter.
That's okay. It's water. We'll clean it up later. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain the water.
Watery banana.
And bring it back to the cutting board. And if you think your fruit
Soggy fruit.
is still a little bit too big, you can still cut the pieces in there. So we're gonna.
Chunky. Why'd you put it back in the strainer?
We're gonna put the fruit back in the cup and put it back in there. We're gonna let it drain.
I would leave it in the sink.
Stop.
Sorry, where the bag? Go make your eggs.
Slide it back into the board.
Go make your eggs.
So what we're gonna do, and you can use a bowl or you can use a really nice cup for your fruit. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1 whole thing of yogurt. Doesn't matter what flavor you use. Today I'm using a strawberry banana flavored. We're gonna put it nicely in the cup.
Oh, there's fruit already in there. That's funny.
Scoop it down. I'm gonna use a little bit more of the same flavor.
How long is the video supposed to be?
Alright, next you can take a cup and put some fruit. You can use your hand or you can use your spoon, whatever you like. We're gonna put the fruit with the bananas, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries on top of the parfait, top of the yogurt. And then we're gonna take a we're gonna take a cup of granola. I used blueberry granola today because it just sounded really good. You can add a cup, you can add a little bit how much you like. I use a little bit more of granola. Voila! That looks like a delicious, yummy fruit parfait. I hope you guys like my video, and I hope you like it. It's gonna be really good.